this, okay, like this perhaps. Okay, then we're going to present 5 startups. Each of them will have 5 minutes each to present, and then we're going to have a 5-minute questions and answers. Afterwards, Nick from the Board of Innovation will make actually a presentation about online business model. That's kind of interesting. That will be for 10 minutes. Afterwards, we will have the traditional live tweets, where everybody is invited on stage to say anything to the group. Each of you have 20 seconds to talk and pitch your ideas or your needs. And then around 8:30, I guess, we're going to close this meeting, and we'll have some drinks and snack outside. Thank you to our sponsors for this. Then I will invite the startup, the first startup to present. It's called Interact, and it's going to be presented by Frédéric.
Do you all hear me well? No. You all hear me well? No. Yes? No? And like this? That's okay? Fine. So, is today's advertising boring? This ad maker didn't try, he created, and he made an eye-catching advertisement. You don't see it on the PowerPoint, but the billboard was blinking. But ad maker's creativity is quite limited by constraints such as cost, space, and technical aspects. Can mobile technologies help us to create great advertisement, exciting advertisement? We think yes, and Interact could be an answer. Hello everybody, I'm Frédéric, I'm from Mouved, and I present you Interact, which is an innovative mobile-oriented solution. So, who here has a mobile phone? Just raise your hand. Okay, I think everybody has a mobile phone, and you should all be able to use a mobile phone to connect to Interact. This is how we see the advertising for a TV operator. 3 elements: you, a public screen, and your mobile phone. What do you do with your mobile phone? You connect the screen, you download a voucher, for example, but it's fun, but it's not that innovative. You've already seen that, I think. But you can do more than this. You can use your mobile phone as a remote control and truly control the screen, for example, to ask the advertisement to show you the TV service of this TV operator, or to pre-order something directly on the screen using your mobile phone. Or maybe some other things, like locating nearby shops by using your mobile phone to ask the advertisement to show you a Google Maps. That's truly a remote control with your mobile phone. And everybody could use it. And as a proof, I've asked some of you to be my testers for today and to use the mobile phone to interact with my presentation screen. So if they just can raise their hand, my testers, okay, so they are there. They are going to connect the screen and to send their picture, the photo of them and the photo of the public, along with a message, and you'll see it in just a few seconds. So just to get back to the advertisement, I'm a consumer. What do I want? I want fun. I want to control the screen. I want to be an actor. And I want an information for me, a customized information. In fact, I want a rich two-way interaction between the advertiser and me. And I think that the advertiser is looking for the same thing. And we could say it's advertisement 2.0. In fact, you know, Betagroup is a web-related event, and I had to be minimum 2.0 to present here. Yes. So, what's Interact in concrete terms? Interact is truly a system which enables a very rich interaction between your mobile phone and public screens, public advertisement screens. It's a generic platform. That's it. You saw an example, a video with a TV operator advertisement, but it's not advertising related. It's just a platform to interact between, to make an interaction between mobile phone and computer systems. And it can be advertisement, it can be event, it can be post-its if they come, and it can be a lot of other things. It's also a generic mobile application. For sure, you need to download an application to your mobile phone to be able to interact with screens, but you do not need to download a new application for each mobile phone. For each interact screens. The application is downloaded once and is then used like a browser to interact with the screens. We also have a wide mobile phone support. For instance, smartphones and most of feature phones, and as you always buy new phones, tomorrow we'll have a support for everybody, as we are going to a full smartphone society. Interact is receiving content, like you saw in the TV advertisement, the TV operator advertisement. With the voucher, it's also about sending content, but as I understand it, the demo doesn't work, so you won't see it, but my testers could have just sent a picture of them on the screen, and or maybe I made an error, just if you... No, that didn't. And it's also about interaction. That's it. I really have a smart remote control with my mobile phone to interact with the screen. Just wait. Yeah, cool. Okay. Just two examples of what we could do with interactive. In reality, you can use it for shops and exhibitions to interact with a screen, which enables you to browse in the exhibition list. It can be Tetris on a building, as we are able to connect the system, the platform, on a light view on the building, and then play with it. That's not a game that is possible today with the system. And I like to end with this phrase: imagination is really the only limitation to interact. You can do all kinds of things with it. Thank you for your attention.
Question for Interact? Questions? Yes?
Yes. So the question is, can we use existing big screens for Interact? Yes, we can, because it's a computer software which runs on a computer and which can be connected to any screens, any kind of screens, including existing screens. Yeah.
Other question? No question for Interact? Yes.
One more time.
Yes?
Try the demo one more time. Try the demo one more time.
I can try, but I think not. I think that the computer crashed, and so it will be for another. You saw the video with the TV advertisement and the mobile phone. That was just Interact.